tell you a little secret about this Mickey-shaped wooden light box? Actually, at first it was just a decoration, a nightlight for my child, but from this one idea I ended up making $10,000 from it. So now I'll tell you the whole story from the beginning, how I came up with this lamp and how it made me $10,000. You see, I have a hobby of woodworking and my child is obsessed with Mickey, so an idea just popped into my head. Why don't I make something Mickey related for my child? And whenever it's time to sleep, my child is often afraid of the dark. So I thought, I should make a nightlight with a Mickey design on it. My child would absolutely love that. And so I created it and it ended up making me $10,000. Now I'll show you just how beautifully it lights up. Ta-da! Here it is, the Mickey light box that my child is obsessed with every night. With this, my child sleeps so much better. And once I finished it, all I had to do was hang it up, plug it in, and my child was so excited, he just went, wow! After that, I took a picture of the product with my child and posted it on Facebook. I was just sharing our happiness, that's all. And to my surprise, someone actually asked to buy it. They asked to buy it and I was completely surprised. Then I thought to myself, why don't I try selling them? So I listed it for sale and I started selling. Within a month, just like that, I started getting results, orders were coming in, and I was surprised all over again. I was like, oh, so there are other people who like this hobby just like I do. And most of the people who bought this product were people who enjoy crafting, and also a lot of them were Disney fans, so they were naturally interested in this product. If you like this product, you can leave a comment below with your email. I'll send the free file to that email for you. And next, I'll show you how to make this product.
Thank you for watching this entire video. If you want me to make more products, please leave a comment below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to follow my upcoming videos.